This is a 2013 Buick REGAL. It has an oil leak on it. The underside of it was soaked with oil. And I traced it, and the back side of the engine back here was all soaked with oil. And I traced it back up here to the top. And see this high pressure fuel pump right here? It seals to the head right there. And on the bottom side, I was able to stick a mirror in there, and it's leaking from that seal on that thing. I don't know if you'll be able to see the oil on it from that mirror. This camera don't look like it's showing it very well, but it is coming from that seal on that high pressure oil pump. We need to remove this vacuum line from the pump, and it has a release button here on the side. So it's locked in right now. Right here on the side, you'll feel it'll kind of spring in, and you push it in. Let me get a better look at it here. So right here it is. You can just push that all the way in as far as you can, then pull straight out. Then detach it from this clip back here. That way you can kind of bring the line over here out of your way. We need to remove, it's got two bolts in it. One right, get my light. One right here, right on the top, and then on the bottom down here, there'll be one there. They are 13 millimeter. I'm just going to use a wobble socket air ratchet to do it. But you can just use a regular socket and ratchet. I'm just going to go under the bottom here. And then move to the top and get this one right here. So now you'll just grab it and kind of wiggle it off. Drop one of my bolts. And there's the seal we're going to need. You'll have to get that looked up. Okay, I was calling this a high pressure fuel pump. That's not a high pressure fuel pump. That is a vacuum pump. High pressure fuel pumps right here. So anyway, got me a new seal ordered, so when I get that in, I'll give you the part number for that. Okay, here's the part number for the new seal. When you go back with this vacuum pump, these little tabs right here, you got one here and one here, they'll line up in them slots at the end of that camshaft. So if it don't act like it wants to seat in place, you may have to spin this a little bit to get it to line up. Just go back with your bolts and vacuum line, get it back together. Anyway, if this helped you out any at all, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.